Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Glimmering Pet Shard and grow a garden. So you're obviously going to get it by submitting your plants here that have the Glimmering mutation. If you don't have the plants that are listed here, you can just submit a lot of Glimmering mutated plants and just submit it. You do need more though. It is harder to do than just submitting the ones they need, in my opinion. So basically, I already got it. It is this here. And then you can just apply it to your pet, and then they can mutate your plants with the Glimmering mutation. I'm not sure which pet I want to use this though on. If you have suggestions, let me know in the comment section down below. If it's taking too long, I'm probably just going to add it to like a random pet. I'm not quite sure which pet I should add this mutation to. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.